How many panels are there?
There's 12 here.
12?
Get a couple more. Get into that and then put your red out of that, and then the white will go into that, and you don't have to change any roads. Yeah.
Keep that in there, John.
You do, like if you have stuff where you don't back some circuits up.
Need it again?
Yeah. It still didn't come out like haze. Oh, I should have 2 bears in there. It's a bit of a mess.
Ferries don't run at 10:30 at night, do they? So 10:15 PM is... Solid start for these ones. 11:24. PM. No, PM. Probably rather not, hey?
What?
10:15 PM.
Yeah. It's booked for trailer and range cruisers.
I'd rather just stay here and go tomorrow.
Here we are. New battery, new inverter, new gateway. All going to the fixed up box, which is going to get a meter soon. Exciting, isn't it, Twig? Very nice. Alright, here we are in the garage, waiting for the car, which is supposed to come tomorrow. Hugely exciting for the new Polestar. And this is the charging station. So I decided to go with the Fronius Wattpilot Go. Number of advantages there. It ties into the inverter that I showed you before. Sorry about the dog. And it is also detachable, and I can take it with me and charge anywhere where there's 3-phase power up to 22 kilowatts. So campgrounds, roadhouses, etc. So pretty excited about that. And now all we need is a car. So yes, here we go. Tomorrow there'll be a car. Stay tuned for more on the Polestar 2 and how it all goes. Thanks for watching. Glowing in the dark. It's glowing in the dark. The battery glows in the dark. Pretty cool. Green glow at night. Twig! There she is. In the dark. In the dark. Look at that. Glowing in the dark. The battery's glowing in the dark. Inverter's gone to sleep. Battery's in the dark.